Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 8 to the power x is equal to 24. We have given 8 to the power x is equal to 24, or taking log to both sides we can write here log of 8 to the power x is equal to log of 24, or here we can write x log of 8 is equal to log of 24. We need the value of x, so divided both sides by log of 8 we can write here x log of 8 over log of 8 is equal to log of 24 over log of 8, or this log of 8 cancel out this log of 8, so it will be remaining x is equal to, here we can write log of 8 times 3 over log of 8, or x is equal to log of 8 plus log of 3. According to this formula, log of mn is equal to log of m plus log of n over log of 8, or x is equal to log of 8 over log of 8 plus log of 3 over log of 8, or x is equal to this log of 8 cancel out this log of 8, so it will be remaining 1 plus log of 3 over log of 2 cube, because 2 cube are same as same 8, or x is equal to 1 plus log of 3, here we can write 3 log of 2, or x is equal to 1 plus, now we can use calculator. The approximate value of log of 3 is equal to 0.4771 over 3 times the approximate value of log of 2 is equal to 0.301, or x is equal to 1 plus 0.4771 over 3 times 0.301 is equal to 0.903, or x is equal to 1 plus this divided by this, it will be remaining 0.528. So finally the value of x is equal to 1 plus 0.528 is equal to 1.528. This is our final answer. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.